Welcome to see the beauty of nature. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of orchids, where beauty meets mystery. I'm thrilled to take you on this enchanting journey. Orchids, known for their exquisite blooms, come in a staggering array of colors, shapes, and sizes. They're found all around the world, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. From the delicate petals to the intricate lip, each part serves a unique purpose in attracting pollinators and ensuring the orchid's survival. The diversity is simply astonishing. Each one has its own unique charm. Throughout history, orchids have held a special place in various cultures around the world. They've inspired artists, poets, and even played a role in traditional medicine. Sadly, many orchid species are endangered due to habitat loss and illegal trade. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving these incredible plants for future generations. Now you're thinking of adding these beauties to your own collection. Just remember to consider their specific care requirements based on the species you choose. With a bit of attention and the right conditions, you'll be rewarded with the stunning blooms that orchids are known for. Happy gardening!